So what are the signs and symptoms of stress? There's low energy. There's also bodily complaints, including headache or upset stomach or stomach pain. There's chest pain, difficulty sleeping or achieving quality sleep, and other reported signs and symptoms. And then sometimes you become easily agitated, frustrated, or moody. And then there's a sense of feeling, overwhelmed, having difficulty concentrating, and feeling bad about yourself, and loss of motivation at school. It may also affect our appetite. We may lose our appetite, resulting to weight loss, or it may increase our appetite, resulting to weight gain. And some of the behaviors that very apparent or very observable in some of the students who are experiencing high stress would be nail biting, fidgeting, and feeling nervous most of the time. So stress can be good or bad, because it can be good because it sometimes can push an individual to really work hard and attain their goals, and then their ambitions. Or it may also make them feel a bit incapacitated. That's why some of the students would stop attending online classes or submitting assignments. And of course, there are healthy ways in coping with this difficulty. Number one, I should remind everyone, not only the students but also the teachers and parents, to always go out there and exercise. Of course, following the minimum protocol or health protocols by wearing your face mask when you go out of the house, or when you go to the school, submitting the requirements, or other transactions. And then if you have time, go out with friends or family, and then avoid unnecessary stress, and then manage your time, and be always hopeful for the future, even though we are facing a very difficult scenario as of the moment. Another technique is that you can do some relaxation, like practice deep breathing, and then there's also progressive muscle relaxation, and then practice mindful meditation, or even yoga or prayer it makes you feel more relaxed. And you can do also like visualization, like you imagine your favorite place on earth, like you're in the beach, or you are in a mountaintop. All right. So there's also another way of managing your stress, opening up, like telling your friends how you feel, your family members, or you can even approach your teachers, and most especially your guidance counselors at school, of course. And then another way is that if you cannot manage your stress and it's affecting you, especially your ability to cope with the academic load or the paperwork, you can always ask a professional help from a psychologist just like me, and we will help you deal with the difficulty that you're facing right now. So empower yourself and practice mindfulness. When you say mindfulness, you're fully aware of your behavior, your feelings, and your thoughts. And I have here some tips on how you can handle those situations, or even people, that will most likely reduce your anxiety and stress. This is in general, not just during the pandemic, but you can apply this from now on, or even in the future.